Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to install Node.js on Windows 10. First of all, you need to open the browser and search Node.js in the search bar and hit enter. Now you are able to see the Node.js official website. Next, we will go to the website. Here you can see the Node.js definition. Node.js is a JavaScript runtime built on Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine. And below that you can see the Windows installer, and if you are using different operating system, click on the download link. It will give you the different options. Here you can see the two different options, LTS and current. LTS means long-term support and it is recommended also. I am running 64-bit Windows, so I am going to download 64-bit installer. Once the download is done, go ahead and install the Node.js installer. It's a simple installation process. Accept the license agreement. If you want to use a different directory for installation, you can change it. Otherwise, keep the default settings as it is. Click yes. Here you can see it's installed successfully. Now just click finish. Once the node has been successfully installed, next we need to verify the installation. For that, open the command prompt and type node space -v and hit enter. This command will return the version. If it's returned the version, it has been successfully installed. Here you can see the version we have downloaded and installed. The final step is to check the npm installation. For that, we need to use this command npm space -v. npm is the package manager for the node. It is similar to the composer of the PHP, Ruby gems for the Ruby, and pip for the Python. Now we will try a sample program given on the website. First, I am going to create a folder for our Node.js projects in C drive. I am giving the name Node.js. Inside it, I am creating a new folder for our Hello World project. Open the CMD and open this project in VS Code. Next, go to the official website. and go to the about us page, about page, and copy the hello world program. Save it here and save the file hello world.js. Hello.js. Next, go to the terminal and run the Node.js using the following command: node hello.js. Click the link. You can see the hello world in browser. So we have successfully tested our sample Node.js program. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and also don't forget to share and like the video.